Hi, it's Kori from Product Development, here to tell you how to extend the life of your liquid mattes. I want to show you how to apply them and to help combat that. So with our Boss Lady, I like to literally apply it right along my lips. I outline it first, and I start with the outer portion of my lips because I want that to dry first. And if you notice, I'm using just the tip of the wand because I don't want this product to go everywhere. And then I fill it in. So after this step, I just kind of sit still and I let it dry fully. When it starts to just look completely matte, that's when I know it's dry. So this takes about a couple of seconds, maybe up to 30. And that is one way to make sure the matte doesn't move too much. Again, once you apply it, you don't want to like rub it too much like you would a lip gloss or a lip balm. Really are almost painting your lips. You're painting the color on. Once you apply it, you want it to dry fully. Another way that I love to extend the life of my liquid matte lipsticks by the Lip Bar is with our lip liner. So with this, I like to line my lips and really kind of bring the liner into my lip a little bit. So this is going to create a layer of product on my lips first that will help my liquid mattes. And it kind of creates a little dimension with your look. I just apply, now that that's down, I apply the color right in the center. And I press together. And I keep the product right in the middle of my lips because I still want the liner to show as well as the liquid matte. And that's how I wear Boss Lady.